Priceline Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Priceline review. Links to the platform and its featured deals are provided in the description below. Let's get right into it. Priceline is a versatile booking platform designed for travelers seeking affordable and convenient options for hotels, flights, rental cars, and vacation packages. Known for its name-your-own-price tool and express deals, Priceline offers unique ways to save money, especially for budget-conscious users looking for last-minute deals. A standout feature of Priceline is its express deals, which allow you to book hotels or cars at significant discounts. Although you won't see the exact property or rental provider until after booking, the platform gives enough details, such as star ratings and locations, to help you make an informed decision. This is ideal for travelers who prioritize savings over specific preferences. For those who prefer more control, Priceline offers a straightforward search interface with filters for price, amenities, reviews, and location. Listings are transparent, featuring clear pricing, cancellation policies, and customer reviews. The platform's Bundle and Save feature allows you to combine flights, hotels, and cars for additional discounts, making it a great option for both vacationers and business travelers. Priceline's mobile app is another strong point, offering seamless navigation and exclusive mobile-only deals. Whether you're booking on the go or planning ahead, the app ensures a smooth experience. The price match guarantee further boosts confidence, ensuring you get the best value for your money. The booking process is straightforward and secure, with multiple payment options, including Pay Now and Pay Later flexibility. Priceline also provides a dedicated 24/7 customer support team, which is helpful for resolving any issues or changes to your itinerary. In summary, Priceline is a solid choice for anyone looking to book travel at competitive prices. Its unique tools, user-friendly platform, and robust discounts make it a go-to option for cost-effective and efficient planning. Check out the links in the description to explore Priceline for your next trip.